Kidnappers of a 23-year-old Somali girl abducted in California's estate neighborhood of Nairobi has demanded a ransom of 5 million Kenyan shillings, $46,000, for her release, Kenyan media reported. Hafsa Mohamed Luqman went missing on Tuesday, June 15, from her shoe store she owned at the Kamukunj shopping center in Eastleigh, Nairobi. The kidnappers last sent us a text message on Wednesday the 16th of this month, saying they wanted a ransom, Hafsa's sister-in-law, Omar Ibrahim, told media. Due to the graphic nature and content of Hafsa's injury, MTV Somali channel has refused to show the footage which we have obtained. We are very concerned that they could be harmed, her brother Ibrahim said. Footage from hidden cameras at Hafsa's store showed her entering the store at 4:44 p.m. on Tuesday, along with another girl named Hafsa Abdulwahab. The two girls had embarked to Kayole, for unknown reasons. It has now emerged that Hafsa Abdulwahab, who sells homemade drinks in Kayole, is also missing. On Wednesday afternoon, the kidnappers released a 35-second video showing Hafsa Mohamed Luqman blindfolded, with arms and legs tied, suggesting that she had been tortured. Hafsa was heard saying to her family, "I have been kidnapped and they are demanding a ransom. Please give it to them." Hafsa Mohamed Luqman's family is now demanding immediate intervention. Hafsa Abdulwahab's family also asked the police to help find their daughter safely and to bring this matter to the courts. In recent months, abduction of young women held for ransom have increased in Nairobi, sparking fear amongst Kenya's female population to walk or go out alone at night.